Hi, it's Mrs. Carl, and I'm here with Sight and Sound Phonics. Today we are working on the vowel Y. The Y, as it is a vowel today, is going to have the E sound. Right? It's going to be a vowel, and it's going to have the E sound. And we're only going to write a sentence today, but you need this to help you know the answer to the sentence. All right, this is on the computer, and this is one that you can print out and trace the words so that you can spell them, so that you can sound them out, spell them, trace them out, all right? All of them for extra practice. Now we're going to write a sentence. It's a very short sentence, but we're going to write the sentence and see if we can find the answer on this page. Now remember, we've been working a long time on the Y as a vowel. And the Y as a vowel can say E and it can say I. The ones on this page today that we're going to be working with all say E, baby, puppy, happy, any, very, only. You hear the E, but that's not an E. It's a Y saying E. All right? Today's sentence that we're going to write together is going to be the first word is going to be the word who. Who. Now we know it doesn't start with a H, right? What does who start with? Thank you, you remember. I'm so happy. It starts with a W. Who is spelled W-H-O. Who. W-H-O. When we start a sentence, we start with an uppercase, a capital, a big letter. So we need a big what? W. Good. W. Down, 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 down. There's your W. And then you need your H. And for who, we need W-H-O. Who. Who. All right, the next word we're going to write is the word loves. Loves. L. Don't forget your two-finger spacing. And it's L-O, love. L-O-V-E. There's the word love. And I want loves. We need an S. S. Who loves? Now we want the word mommy. Let's do mom first, okay? And is that her name? Is that a name of someone? So we need an uppercase M because it's the name, mommy. We need an uppercase, a big letter, an uppercase M. Now we're going to write mom. Short O. Ah. Mom, M. Okay, now we want to make this mommy. So we need mommy. We need another M. All right, now, mommy. What do you think comes at the end of the word mommy? Mommy. Do you hear the E? You think we're going to put an E? Did I trick you? We're not going to put an E, right? What do we need at the end of the word mommy? We need a Y. The Y is going to be a vowel, acting as the vowel, and it's going to say E. Who loves mommy? Is that asking a question? Who loves mommy? A question mark. All right. Now, you can answer this in any way that you want. You can put baby loves mommy. You can say I love mommy. You can say it any way you want, or you can just color the picture of the baby. Whatever you want to do, I'm going to let you be the teacher. All right? You be the teacher and decide what, either you can write the sentence here and start with an uppercase letter and then end with a period or a question mark or exclamation point. Or you can use this page. I want you to be the teacher. I want you to do the tracing of the words, sounding out of them, spelling of them. All right? That's the practice that Mrs. Carl is giving you. That's your homework. See you later. Bye.